Check this out, ladies and gents. The LED touch panel. Airbags. Got the PTO. Up and down. Unlock. I have a chassis also, I don't want it to be unlocked. Floor lights. And we got work rooms. The aim of this, pick me up and get you sorted out.